Alright. Palabas lang yun tayo ng Watford Junction. Kung saan aabangan naman natin yung Harry Potter na bus. Every 15 minutes, dumadating siya. So, ito ang Watford Junction.
Something a bit sweeter, our Frog Cafe serves a selection of luxury hot chocolates, ice creams, milkshakes, and our handcrafted cakes created by our on-site patissiers.
Big one. Kalahatian ng tour na napadpad kami sa cafe. Saan bibili kami ng butterbeer at saka ng butterbeer ice cream. Isang butterbeer na lang. Isang butterbeer ice cream. Okay. Ayan na siya. We're excited. Oh, there you go. Hello. Can I get a butterbeer and a butterbeer ice cream, please?
Do you have any allergies?
No, we don't.
884.
Oh, just one of it. One of each? Yeah. Alright, so this is our butter beer. And sarap. Ako naman. Ano mo naman ang ubusan? Kaya ba?
Yummy. Oh my God, so good. Thanks, Harry.
Ilalabas ka. Ayun o. Macaroni.
Okay, let's go. Are you scared? Why? Why? Ay. No, walang babagsakan eh, oh. Naka-video tayo. Mga yung takip. Yan, okay. Walang babagsak sa sagluhin ko. Hindi. Hindi na babagsak, honey. Ba't ibabagsak mo yung mga bata? Kawasan ang bumabagsak. Okay. Wala, oh, ayun. Hindi yan babagsak. Ito tuloy ko na
Over here, the making of Harry Potter. Now, I do have a silly question to ask, considering where we are, but do we have any Harry Potter fans here today? Woo! Okay, we can do better than that. So let's try again. Do we have any Harry Potter fans here today?
Yay!
Well, as many of you may know, we are currently standing at the entrance hall of the castle, which means there's something very special right behind these doors. And talking about special, is anyone celebrating a birthday today? I see a hand. Would you like to help me out? Yeah, come down here. Hello. Someone's right there. Perfect. We need one more person. Anyone would like to help? Yeah? Yeah? Come down here. Perfect. Put your hands right there. Don't hear anything just yet. Excited. And we thought it would be the first thing we do with the fairy birds. Harry birds. When you arrive at the castle, welcome to Hogwarts. Let's give the nice gentle push. That's it. Perfect. And let's give a big round of applause for lovely Hogwarts for everyone else in the house. Yes, this is the Great Hall. It was one of the first sets ever constructed for the films and also one of the largest. The Great Hall stood for more than 10 years in the sound stage just over there actually before it was brought to your peace by very precious piece for you to enjoy here today. But now please do not stop in those doorways. Do make your way in this must be close to you'll make a fantastic opportunity. Which reminds me, this is what we call a set. Meaning everything here is ready for filming. So please do take a moment to explore, take some pictures, and we're going to make shortly right here next to our lovely pretty door students. Perfect, everyone, keep making your way so we know the beautiful floors. Stunning. So as you're entering the Great Hall.
Alright, for last but not least, Gryffindor! There we go, there's the rest of the hands out shot.
One of my favourite moments about the Harry Potter films is the bit where Harry gets to ride Buckbeak off in the lesson. It's sort of like a break in the films where he just gets a chance to just be a kid again, which is what everyone really wants to do, really.
Okay, yeah, that one. Okay, that makes easy.
That's it.
Oh, sorry. Yan o, ito, bibigyan ka.
Kuya, baga naman.
Mate, you need some money, mate.
I need some money. You'll be homeless here in London.
Yeah. Go.
God, look at this. Lahat ng props pinag-isipan talaga, no? The mandrakes. Alright. Galing. Galing mo mag-rem kay Dobby, oh.